As a makeup girly, I love the fact that my makeup be looking so tea. But if y'all want to know my secret to making sure my makeup looks this good, it's my nighttime skincare routine, okay? This is crucial. If you do not follow any tips, I need you to follow this one from me, okay? This is my nighttime skincare routine when I have a full face of makeup and how I take it down. So let's go ahead and just get into it. Okay, my loves. So I did a nice little makeup tutorial for you guys, which is already on my channel. It was when I used like affordable drugstore products, but I need to show you guys how I take it off and all my steps. So today I'm going to go ahead and take my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Now, one thing that I love in replacement of this is the one size makeup remover. Their spray, it is so amazing. It takes off the makeup so fast. I love it. But now I'm going to go ahead and take my Keys Soul Care. This is an oil kind of cleansing balm that we're going to first use to wash my face with. It's so important to use a cleansing balm on your skin after a full face of makeup because the oil is really able to seep into those pores and just remove all the makeup. Because you'll notice you can wipe your face with a makeup wipe it again, and it's still makeup on there. But when you double cleanse like we're about to do tonight, you'll see how clean your face is, okay? So I'm rinsing off that, and now I'm going in with my Kiehl's Ultra Face Cleanser. I love this so much. I use this daily. It doesn't strip my skin. It is literally for all skin types, so I really like it. Tonight, I'm taking a generous amount just because I had a lot of makeup on, so I want to really make sure all of the makeup is off my face. I rub this into my skin, and this is how I know, okay, we're good. Everything is gone, everything is stripped away, and we are at a nice foundation. I'm going to take a paper towel to dap my face in. I don't use a towel. Towel holds bacteria, which can lead to your breakouts. So you really want to use something that's disposable, like a paper towel, and just tap your face dry. Now, because we washed everything away, we want to bring back the oil. So back with my Keys Soul Care, she has this great facial oil that I like. It's not too heavy. I've used oils that are too heavy. I really do like this. It just seeps into my skin, especially for nighttime. It does a really good job. I do a couple of drops all over my face. I never let the dropper touch my face because also that is how we're spreading bacteria to and from. Then with the Gleaming Ultra Face Serum, this is like with vitamin C. I like to glow. I like to look very dewy, very hydrated, and I like to go a little heavier at night. So when I wake up, I am just a glowing goddess with clear skin, okay? My skin is clear because I do not let anything sit on my face. I don't. I take it off and I just, nourish it. Next up, I like to go in with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and this is just a really thick moisturizer that's going to help seal everything that we apply to our face. Now, this is for my skin type. I have pretty much a normal skin type. When I do wear makeup for a long time or throughout the days, I do get a little bit of oil breaking through, but nothing too excess or excessive. Oh my God, I can't talk today, but nothing too excessive. So yeah, that is just my skin type if you guys wanted to know. But this is an Ardoro face mask. This does light therapy for your skin. Now, I don't do this all day or every day. Don't let these influencers fool you guys. This is when I want to luxurify my night, romanticize my night, and when I feel like my skin really needs it. But it offers different colors that does different things for your skin. I like to go in with the radiant skin just so I can really emphasize my glow. I leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I use this time to check my emails, go on TikTok, clean up, pour a little, drink for after I take this mask off, whatever. But I like to just kill a little bit of time, and then after we take it off, and I promise you, the way my skin looks, it literally looks rejuvenated. Like, I feel like everything has like really just faded into my skin, and it literally just looks so good. This is your sign to make sure you are prioritizing your skincare. Your makeup is never going to look that good if you are not taking your time to remove it, okay? This is how you are going to get quality makeup looks when you take care of that base, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Make sure you guys comment down below this secret emoji and subscribe to the channel. Join the team and just do it like Nike, and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you.